The Honor X60 Pro, which was recently launched, is a mid-range phone with a fast refresh rate OLED display, the best eye protection screen, great design, a big battery, and more. Friends, today I will be unboxing the Honor X60 Pro and sharing my first impressions of this newly launched phone. Hey guys, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. So let's start with the unboxing. This is the Honor X60 Pro box in white. On top of the box, you can see the phone's branding. First, let's remove the plastic and open the lid. The first thing we see is the phone itself. Inside the box, you'll also find a protective case, a SIM ejector tool, and a user manual. Here's the 66-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, and this is the Type-A to Type-C data cable, which can handle up to 3.5 watts of current. Now, let's take the phone out of the plastic and talk about its design and build quality. But before that, friends, Vivo has recently launched its flagship X200 series, and I've uploaded unboxing and detailed review videos of all the phones. You'll find the links in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Now, looking at the Honor X60 Pro's screen, it comes with a hyperboloid or curved display. The screen comes with a protective film by default, and there's a central punch hole for the selfie camera. On the back, it has a burning organs color and a plain leather material finish. This time, the Honor branding is on a metal plate. The camera module is rounded, and inside this circular module, there's one camera lens. On the left side, there's an LED flash and camera details. The phone's frame is made of plastic. For button placement, the volume rocker and power button are on the right side. At the top, there's a speaker, and at the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom speaker. The left and right sides of the frame are glossy, but the top and bottom have a frosted finish. Since the frame is plastic, there are no visible antenna lines. The phone feels good in hand because it's lightweight and thin. Both the front and back are curved. The phone is 8 millimeters thick and weighs 192 grams. Overall, the design is quite nice, and it has a good grip for single-hand use. Let's go ahead and start the phone. For biometric security, it has an under-display fingerprint sensor located in the lower area. The unlocking speed is quite good too. As soon as the phone starts, you'll find 15 pre-installed third-party apps. The screen has a high screen-to-body ratio, and since it's a curved screen, the bezels look quite thin. In the settings, the storage specs show that this is the 12GB RAM and 512GB storage variant. Talking about the processor, it has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 built on a 4nm platform. So, this phone is not focused on high performance since it's powered by a mid-range 5G processor. The phone has a 6.78-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 3840Hz PWM dimming feature, offering the highest level of eye protection. For refresh rate, you get three options: 120Hz Smart, 60Hz, and 120Hz. The screen also has Oasis eye protection, and the color temperature adjusts based on the time. The phone comes with stereo speakers, so the multimedia experience will be excellent. In China, this phone also has the two-way satellite communication feature, which means you can send and receive SMS via satellite, even in areas with no network. Talking about the camera, the Honor X60 Pro has a single rear camera setup with a 108-megapixel main camera. The phone supports 4K video recording at 30 FPS, and you can shoot videos from both the front and back cameras at the same time. For selfies, there's an 8-megapixel front camera. Talking about the Honor X60 Pro's battery, it has a huge 6600 mAh battery and supports 66-watt charging. So, even though the phone is thin and lightweight, it still has a large battery because it uses next-generation battery technology. Regarding the price, it starts at 1499 Chinese yuan, which is around 162 pounds in the UK and about $211 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone offers a superb display and excellent eye protection, along with stereo speakers, which provide a great multimedia experience. However, if you want to game, the performance will be average. So I'll see you with the latest tech updates next time. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.